super grateful. You guys have no idea how grateful I am. So, we moved here last June. I finally got to the point where I could buy a house on my own and bought this house this past May. So we haven't even been here 6 months yet. And I finally got to the point as a single mom that I could buy my own home. And when I moved in, pretty much the only thing wrong with the house was a really old unit. And you guys actually came out this summer and fixed the AC for me and told me that my heater was pretty much done for. So I've been trying to save up for it. And then my boss nominated me for this, and you guys called me, and it's just been the biggest blessing for Christmas time.